Hello, guys. I trust you're doing well today. My name is Martin from Finance Oracle. I'm here again to thrill you with information that will help you to achieve your migration dream. Today, I'll be taking you through how you can move to Canada. Every means to move to Canada is not through studies, is not through, university education, like bachelor's or postgraduate studies, not through PR or through employment or like caregiving jobs and all that. There are many other means which you can use to move to Canada, and today I want to introduce to you moving to Canada through vocational schools. There are so many vocational schools in Canada which are open to immigration, taking people to move to Canada even with your family in some cases. So this is the opportunity I want to introduce to you. So today I'm going to be taking you through a number of vocational schools which will help you to achieve your migration dream to move to Canada. So you will see how you can move to Canada through these vocational schools. So I implore you to stay tuned as we go through my screen. Thank you. So, guys, this is my screen, and we'll take you through how you can move to, Canada through vocational education or trade education. The first school I want to show you is Cambrian College. Cambrian College have got a number of vocational education which you can apply to, and their fees are not so, they are not outrageous, and the application procedure is not stressful. And again, the requirements are not too stringent. So it's something you can do if you've got a secondary education qualification without too much of stress. So I'm gonna be taking you through my screen for you to see. Like I will, as I take you through my screen, please pay attention so that you can see everything you need to know about going to Canada through vocational education. So you can see the website, and if you either hit apply now or you can explore their programs, and you can see information about admission like tuition fee and all that. So let me just click tuition and fees, browse tuition and fees, so that we can get some information. Anyway, there is an error, so we can do that much later. So if you come to this place, you can look at the programs which they do, degree, diplomas, graduate certificate, and our continuous education apprenticeship. So you can come down and let's say if I choose diplomas and advanced diplomas, you're gonna see these informations. Yeah, animation 2 years, animation business administration, business accounting, business finance, chemical engineering technician, child and youth care, civil engineering, technology. Just go there, you see all the courses. There are many of them, okay? Yeah, some of them are technological courses, some of them are social work, health and social work, some of them are welding and fabrication, a number of things. So you can see the schools which are offering them, okay? So you can see these are all offered by Ontario College Diploma, Ontario College Advanced Diploma. So all are offered by Ontario College. Okay. Yeah, because Cambrian College is actually an Ontario college school. So let's go through it and see more information. So, for example, if you want to apply, you can actually hit up apply now. And if you do this, it's going to bring you through this welcome page, apply to Cambria College. So if you are in Canada or you're a permanent resident of Canada, you can just hit up start my application. If you're an international student, you have to come to international application, which will take you to ontariocolleges.ca, okay? Which is like a unified application portal for all international students for all the colleges in Ontario. So you see ontariocolleges.ca. Apply now, international applicant. So this is where you can apply. So if you want to apply, you see you click the apply button to start an application. Click on login. If you have created a username, otherwise you have to create a new one, review their information, follow the instruction, and you can submit. So these are colleges under this place, Ontario colleges. Algon Queen College, Burrell, Canberra College. So now, if I want to apply to Canberra, I can hit up here and apply as an international applicant. Canada College, Conti- Container College, Conestoga, Confederation, Durham College, Fanshawe, Fleming, Georgia, George Brown, Humber, Lasitela. All these are colleges under Ontario, so I can just go through all of them. So if you want to apply for any of them, you can now hit up and apply individually. Let's say if I want Canberra, I can come here. If I want this, I can go. So let's go to this and see the first one and see what it's got for us. And yeah, so when you come here, you see admission apply. So you can look at admission by country, information section, become an international student, step-by-step application, apply for a second program, transfer to a new program, all this information you can see here. Okay. Then you can select your country. This will help to give you specific information about your country. So I'm in Nigeria now. I can hit up Nigeria. So you see the basic requirement. Now application fee is 95 Canadian dollars for Nigerians. Okay. Then yeah. Now they're not gonna accept application directly from Nigeria. Instead, they ask you to apply to their college through the service of one of the authorized international agencies. Okay, this started from October 13, 2023. So you can see the list of agents in Nigeria and you can hit them up. But this is not the same for every country. It is just for some countries. So for certain countries, you may be able to do this yourself. But for Nigeria, for example, you have to go to Lagos to this place or to Port. I can see their phone numbers where you can read them out, or you can also go to the Canadian office. I mean, if you visit Canada for whatever reason you think, but they've got Nigerian office in Abuja also, so you can see they've got Abuja, Port, Lagos, and each any of them is fine for you to visit and do your application. So you see in Lagos, in Paraka is Olo Basanjo. For those who are watching from Parakot, for those who are watching from Lagos, you see they've got one in Awolowo Way, Ikeja, and they've got an office in Abuja also. This is in the Novara Central Mall, second floor, Dalaba Street off Michael Obara Street, Abuja, Wuse, Zone 5. So you can also see their email address and all information you would need to apply for this. So you can do this, read them out and apply. But then apart from Cambrian College, I mean other schools may allow you to apply directly. So let's look at other schools. Like yeah, we've got Cambrian College. I mean the initial one was not Cambrian. So let's see. How to apply to Cambrian College as an international student. Pre-application consideration. You look at certain consideration. Application from applicant from Nigeria. Please note that the applicant process from Nigeria has changed. They've also changed, most likely also asking you to apply through the agent. So also from Ethiopia, they've also have some changes. So English for academic purposes program. That is an additional program maybe if you need to do this and documentation. But now let's look at from Nigeria. Let's see what information they have for you. I just want to run it with you so you can see. Dear prospective students, thank you for your interest in applying for to study at Cambrian College. We would like to inform you that starting March 1st, 2023, we are no longer accepting direct applications. So you have to reach their agents in Nigeria to apply. For example, they've got Upright Travel Limited, EduSuit Limited, Global Solution Resources Africa, Hillview Immigration Consulting Canada in Nigeria. They've got IDP, IDP also. They've got Maple Education. Maple, I know them very well. They're doing well. Mary Bells Consulting, Odapa Education Services, So these guys are all people you can meet and speak to them. These are local numbers in Nigeria. You can speak to them and apply, okay? So that is about this college. Then if I go back then to the main page, I can see, let's choose some other college. I want to see if there is anyone which is doing accepting a direct application. So let's look at Fleming. Yeah, Fleming, I know this college is a reputable college. So let's see what Fleming has got for us. How to apply for international education. Okay. Yeah, 6 steps to guide you through your journey to Fleming College. Number one, you need to choose a program, gather document. When to apply is either in September 20, that is for 2023, January 24, or of course, those are all gone. So mostly they have September, January, and May. Okay, yeah. So if you want to apply, you can look at this. For now, they are accepting offer for those who want to start in September 2024, and you can actually hit up the application. So let's see the red application without an agent. Please submit through Ontario Colleges CA.international. But if you have to go through the agent, then you have to click here to select your country. The application is $100 for application fee. Yeah, so let's just be patient. Let us put up and see. You need to create an account before you start. So this shows that they're accepting direct application for Fleming. Either you do it directly or you do it through an agent. You are free to take any of the steps. I mean, let me just take the last college, the Northern College, and see what the application procedure is like here. So the Northern College, say for international application, you can browse program availability. Yeah. So let me browse the availability of program and let's see what they've got for us. And while that is happening, you can look at how to apply. For international students, you can apply to OCAS International, which is also the same link which I got from the other school which I use Fleming. So you can see there is a non-refundable deposit application of $100, and you submit the following documents with your OCAS application, official transcript for any education completed outside of Canada, an official copy of your valid passport, proof of English language proficiency, which you can actually look at there. I think 5.5 is the minimum for most of the courses, and for some courses, 6 is the minimum. Okay, yeah, so that is it. So here you have to choose your country, and when you choose, it's gonna be it will give you a country specific requirement. Yeah, let's say I choose Nigeria. What country are you applying from? Let me say Nigeria, and I'm not a public computer or would like to save my selection. No, I'm not on a public. Yeah, it's okay for the next 15 days. So yeah, so you can see the courses available here. Some courses are closed, like addiction and mental health is closed. Addiction and mental health worker is open. This is different from this. The difference you have to read through more to see. You okay? Yeah. So this is okay. Yeah, it's the same with intake. This is September intake, and this is for January intake. So you can enroll for September again, but you can enroll for January. Animal grooming is closed. Bachelors of Computer Science closed. A lot of them are closed. So you can see business is open for January intake. Yeah, and business accounting is open for January intake. Business human resources is open for January intake. Same with business marketing. So this shows you that they've got a lot of competition. Okay. Yeah. So also computer engineering technician for January intake. All September's are closed. Early childhood for January intake is open. Environmental technician compressed cup is open. So this is great. So for January intake as well. Oh yeah, January intake here. Also, environmental technician, water and wastewater system operator operation is open for general intake. So you can see the courses are open and courses are closed, and you can and give them a try to hit up the application for any of them. For example, you can do your apply now, and you can get to the application portal where you can do your application as an international student. But remember, this is not the same with students, domestic student. Okay, so here you have to create an account. Because you don't have an account, you have to sign up and install up. So I don't want to sign up because I'm not interested in closing up or doing any application. Okay, so I will just go on. So there are some other schools which you can actually apply to. I mean, outside those in Ontario. So, for example, Trillium College, you can see the programs which they offer. They offer programs in health program, business program, trade program, social program, technological program. You know, so and you can come just here and connect with a career coach for, more information. If you fill out this form, they will reach out to you to speak more about how you can, um, you know, move to Canada. You see, the average wage is $32 per hour. So that's for if people who have finished this program. You can see that admission requirement on Ontario secondary school diploma or mature student study or even an equivalent. So you can hit up that. You can check all this program. You see on the health program they got aesthetic and spa operation, dental assistant, level 1 and 2, massage therapy, medical lab assistant, medical office assistant, personal support worker, pharmacy assistant, and see for technology program, video game designer, digital marketing specialist, and you can see also for trade program, electrical apprenticeship, hairstylist, social, and others. So, guys, go through it on your own time. And another school, which is Bow Valley College, is also offering interesting programs. You can check it out. International applicants are accepted. You can see the programs which they offer. They've got program areas in apprenticeship, in technology, business, center and entertainment, art, community studies, health, wellness, open studies, technology, university transfer. So, and you can see upgrading English language learning, blah blah blah. Things you may need to do on application on the frequent answer, frequently asked question and how to apply and see how to apply. But remember, you're an international student, so don't feel the domestic student program. And that's why they say, I am a Canada citizen. You say no. If you're a Canadian citizen, then you can hit up here. But if you're not, yeah, I'm an international student. So this is where you have to do your application. You hit up, get started. Then from here, you get more information, okay? Yeah, program availability, other information you need to do, know and all that. Yeah, so you can hit up apply now. So apply now will take you to the application portal for this school for an international student. So here you can sign in or you can create an account and start the application. So be aware that you'll be needed to have English language proficiency of about at least minimum of 5.5 in each of the band and probably an overall of 6.0 for you to get this through. Okay, and it's there are tuition fee is not as expensive as university study, and some of them do not really need you proof to have proof of fund, however some may need you to have proof of fund for for immigration purposes. But in average, I mean, this is a fairly good opportunity to move to Canada because they are not expensive and they give you the opportunity to apply for PR. Because once you, I'm just looking for an information in Cambrian. Once you finish this program, you'll be able to apply for permanent residency because they are all programs that are being accepted into permanent residency. So this is what I have for you today, and I hope that you make good use of it, as this is one of the best way you can ever think of, or you can ever move to Canada. So guys, I wish you the best of luck and see you in my next video. Cheers.